You know what's crazy? Let's talk about the racket that no one warns buyers or agents about. Those third-party companies that HOAs use to complete their condo certification. You ever heard of HomeWise, condo certs? Buckle up. These companies were created to make things easier for lenders and HOAs, but half of the time they're overcharging. I mean like overcharging. They take forever and they don't even fill out the forms in their entirety. And you know who pays for it? The buyers have already been struggling for the down payment. Now they're getting this hefty charge for crap service. Here's the problem. When the specific condominium is not FHA, VA, Fannie, or Freddie approved, the lender is going to need detailed HOA information, which comes from these third parties. It's basically like a background check on the building. And instead of the HOA who's got all the information, they're completing it on their own. They outsource it to one of these companies. Here's the issue. They charge hundreds of dollars. It takes days, sometimes weeks to respond. And most of the time they miss the key details that the lender actually needs. So frankly, it's a waste of money. These companies exist because the HOAs, they don't want to do the paperwork, but they end up creating a bigger headache and they're charging the families for it. So here's my advice to anyone that's looking for a condo. Always check with your lender to see if the building is approved. And when I say approved with Fannie, Freddie, FHA, or VA, whatever type of loan you're taking out, it'll save you time, money, and frustration before ever having to pay for one of those certifications.